Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites and then open the password manager. Make sure the app or extension is updated and you have your master password or recovery code ready. If available, enable biometrics for faster access. Otherwise, prepare the typed master credential. Once done, tap the app icon or click the browser extension and give the app any requested permissions like autofill or clipboard access so it can work properly with sites and apps. You now authenticate and let the manager load your vault. Enter the master password carefully, check keyboard layout and caps lock, or confirm biometric login. After authentication, allow the app to sync. Pick Cloud Sync for cross-device access or local only if you prefer higher privacy. If two-factor is enabled, enter the OTP or push approve the login. Make sure your device time is accurate for time-based codes. Once syncing completes, the app will index entries so you finish by accessing entries and setting safety defaults. Use search or folder filters to find logins, then copy a password or autofill into a site. Clear the clipboard afterward. Configure auto-lock timeout and prefer biometrics or hardware keys for future logins. If you cannot open the vault, try the recovery code or account recovery flow. If necessary, export data from a working device and reinstall the app, then import the export. One key troubleshooting tip: check time and network settings before drastic steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.